Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Sorry we have not posted a video this week. We are running a little behind. I haven't been feeling well. So I'm going to post a quick video just to show you how I make some crock-pot chicken. This is going to be honey garlic crock-pot chicken. And what I do is I get 4 chicken breasts, put those in a crock-pot, and I go ahead and make 4 chicken breasts just because I'll slice it up or I'll shred it up and use it throughout the week. You can use it on wraps, you can use it on salad. You know, it'll last a few days. You can freeze it, but it'll last 3 days in the refrigerator before it needs to be frozen. Because I haven't felt like cooking. And I don't have any energy. So I find that it's easier just to go ahead and make some stuff in the crock pot and just eat on it for a few days, because you can do so many different things with chicken breast. But I really like the flavor of this one. So what you're going to need to do is put a half a cup of water. And I'm sorry, I am also my cameraman and I don't have a tripod, so I'm having to do all this one-handed. I sliced up 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to put those in there. If you want to mince it, go right ahead. Didn't feel like doing all that, so I just sliced it up, washed it and sliced it. Then you're going to put paprika, and I probably use a teaspoon or 2. This is almost empty, so I'm probably just going to use the rest of it so I save these plastic, yeah, that's empty. I save these plastic spice containers because I make my own oregano, basil, dry it all out, and I can wash these and use these again for my basil, because right now the basil I did last year is still in the mason jar. It'd be a whole lot easier in these little spice jars. So anyway, I'm going to sprinkle a lot of basil. That basil smells so good. When you do your own basil and dry it out, the flavor, the smell stays with it, the flavor stays with it for a while. It's a whole lot better than the store-bought. I'm going to do a little salt. I'm going to do some pepper, but I might have to put my video down for that because I got to grind it. Okay, so I've peppered that. Next, you want to get a couple of tablespoons of honey and just drizzle over the chicken. And here's the honey. It keeps wanting to focus on my hand when my hand's over the dogs are fixing to go crazy because Steve's home. They're going to hear him pull up. All right, and that's all there is to it. You put a lid on it. You cook it on high for 4 hours, on low for 8 hours. I'm cooking it on high for 4 hours because it's already late in the day and I want to have it by dinner time. So I'll come back at dinner and I'll show it to you.
Bobby Joe, you got cook over here, girl. Bobby put a lot of time and effort into this for you, girl. You're pretty though.